Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Another example. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation y minus 3x p is equal to p square. We can write this equation if I shift this to the right side, this term to the right side, then this differential equation will be equal to y is equal to p square plus 3x p. It is solution step. Now if I differentiate this equation with respect to x, taking derivative or differentiate this differential equation with respect to x, then this equation will be dy by dx is equal to d by dx of p square plus 3 into d by dx of x p. Now dy by dx is equal to derivative of p square is 2p, and again derived by extended power rule, the derivative of p square without the power is by using extended power rule, it will be d by dx of p plus 3, and derivative of this two function is in product, so derivative of any product which is in derivative of any two function which are in product with each other, the derivative of this function will be first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, which is 1. So this differential equation will be dy by dx is equal to 2p d by dxo of p plus 3x dp by dx plus 3p. This is now the differential equation. Now we know that d by dx of y is equal to p, so dy by dx equal to p, so it is p, and here is dp by dx is common in these two terms, so it will be dp by dx, and it will be 2p plus 3xo plus 3p. Now if I shift this plus 3p to the left side, then it will be p minus 3p is equal to dp by dxo 2p plus 3xo p minus 3p, it is minus 2p is equal to dp by dxo into 2p plus 3xo. Now the next step is multiplying dx to both sides of this differential equation. This equation will be minus 2p dxo divided by dp is equal to 2p plus 3xo, and if I shift this plus 3x to this side, then it will be minus 2p dx divided by dp, and minus 3x is equal to 2p. So dividing minus 2p on both sides of this equation, then minus 2p cancel out with this minus 2p, then it will be dx by dp, and this equation will be plus 3 by 2 xo by p is equal to, and the 2p cancel out with this 2p, then it will be minus 1. So the equation in the form is dx by dp plus 3 divided by 2p x is equal to minus 1, which is linear equation in xo. If we saw this equation is a linear in xo. So the integrating factor of this differential equation will be, now the equation is linear in x, so the integrating factor of this differential equation will be, integrating factor will be equal to e power integral of 3 divided by 2p 3 divided by 2p dp. So integrating factor will be e power integral of 3 divided by 2p dp is equal to 3 divided by 2 log of p. This is the integrating factor. So the integrating factor, if we saw the above differential equation, the integrating factor is e power 3 by 2 log of p. It is the identity of logarithm that power that we can write this term is equal to log of p power 3 divided by 2. So e cancel out with this log, then integrating factor is equal to p power 3 divided by 2. Now if we multiplying this integrating factor to both side of this original integral differential equation, then it will be p power 3 divided by 2 dx by dp plus 3 divided by 2px p power 3 divided by 2 equal to minus 1 p power 3 divided by 2. Now this is the product rule, so it is equal to x of p power of 3 divided by 2, and it is equal to minus 1 p into 3 divided by 2. So x p power 3 divided by 2 integral of minus 1 p power 3 divided by 2 dp plus c, which is equal to x is equal to minus 2 divided by 5p plus cp power 3 divided by 2, which is the solution of the integral equation.